Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2019 on a 69 plate Hyundai i10 Play. This is the 1 litre petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in polar white, and it's covered 46,000 miles. So have a good walk around this really sharp looking Hyundai i10. This is the Play model, so a really high spec example. November 2019 registered, 46,000 miles, one company owner from new, and that does mean that this vehicle is VAT qualifying. So what that does mean is if you own a business, then you can claim the VAT back on this car, so it will be the £8,000 that it's been advertised at will be on a VAT invoice, so it's £8,000 including the VAT. So if you do have a VAT registered business, then you can buy this and claim the VAT back. Excellent service history throughout its life, all done at the main dealer, Hyundai main dealer. We've got 5 services in total, so properly maintained right the way through. Looks really sharp in this polar white with these smart looking diamond cut alloy wheels, 15-inch. And it's also got the black mirror caps as well, so really good looking little car. Ever so good, these i10s these days. Timing chain engine, so no cam belt to worry about. Cheap to run, 60 plus miles to the gallon on a combined run according to the manufacturer. Low insurance group, and this is the Play model, so really nice level of trim as we have a look inside. All in good shape. Remote central locking, and it does come supplied with 2 remote keys. All the door cards are in good order. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. It's got its carpet mats, a couple of keys. Steering wheel's in good shape. You've got controls for your cruise control and speed limiter, trip computer. You've got your Bluetooth controls along with some radio controls there as well. Down below, a couple of cup holders, manual handbrake. You've got a 12-volt socket just at the back there, and then a 5-speed manual gearbox. Some more grippy storage down here for your phone or wallet, whatever it may be, and then we've got a USB auxiliary and another 12-volt socket there, so you've got 2 of those. Up above, air conditioning of course, and then the big touch screen, which we'll come to in a second. All your handbooks in the glove box. There's your mileage, 46517. Shouting at me because the door's open. And then across back to your infotainment. Nice big touchscreen system. And it's all here on the main menu. So you've got satellite navigation. There we go, knows where we are, that's good. DAB digital radio, and then you have got a menu full of other things. Obviously it's got Bluetooth for your phone. Plenty of bits going on there, so really easy to navigate and use. Very straightforward system, but a good one. 5-door practicality of course. Privacy glass at the back. And then into the rear, you've got electric windows in the back. 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, and the ISOFIX for the child seats as well, so it is a 5-seater. And then round to the load space. Decent space actually. Split folding rear seats, you've got a parcel shelf at the top. And then good amount of room, and the luxury on this one, I believe, if I get your home spare wheel. So there we have it. November 2019 Hyundai i10 Play with the satellite navigation, 46,000 miles, one company owner. It's a VAT qualifying vehicle. Finance is available from less than £150 a month, based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 keys along with our standard 6 months nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. and we do work on an appointment only basis. So if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Excellent looking little car, very good value for money, won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.